this is his workplace. Let me just up here. Whoa, that was close. I wish I didn't have such a lead foot. I probably should have worn boots that, didn't have such a tall heel. And I should have invested in snow tires. Oh, look. There's my baby. Hey, baby. Happy anniversary. Glad to see you missed me, too. You think I look cute? Yeah, you like how my hair and clothes are drenched in snow? Yeah? Well, thank you. You look cute too. Anyways, let's get you home, okay? Okay. Hold on tight. It's still really slippery. How was work, hon? Went well? Well, that's good to hear. I hope you weren't too cold in there. You were toasty? I'm glad. Although, I'll be more glad when we get home. These roads are a nightmare. The sooner we get home, the better. Nah, don't worry about it. I'm not mad at you. I'm happy to be your Uber, at least, till your own car gets fixed. Still no word on if it's ready yet? No? That's a shame. I swear they're keeping it in there on purpose to keep the prices rising. That's what happened when my first car broke down. We should have taken your car to the other dealership. They at least don't take as long, even if their record isn't spotless. Are you cold? Yeah, I'm sorry, but the heater stopped working. Funny how our cars just keep breaking one way or another. I promise when we get home I'll give you all the cuddles you could ever want. Okay, baby? And since it's our special day, maybe something extra. For now, let's just focus on getting home first. Which shouldn't be much longer if we stay on the main road. Road closed? Damn it. Someone must have crashed. Oh, that poor soul. I guess I gotta go this way. Down the road that wasn't plowed yet. Hopefully we don't meet the same fate. Why did it have to start snowing now? On our anniversary? Well, it's not really scary, more so than just annoying. Yeah, I've driven in the snow a little, but never in this car. Well, not until now anyway. It's gonna take me a bit to get used to the fact that I don't have four-wheel drive anymore. Can you hear the tires spinning? Yeah? You can tell I was gunning it there to keep moving, huh? It's fun, right? I definitely think so. Am I being sarcastic? What do you think? You're lucky I love you so much, baby. I'd only do this for you. If it were anyone else, I probably would have said tough luck. Yeah? You think otherwise? Okay then, baby. This doesn't look right. I think I took a wrong turn by accident. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I go this way? Yeah, baby, I'm flooring it, but the car won't move. Come on, come on. No. No, 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 not now. Why now? Why did I have to get stuck now? Okay, wait. Let me try backing up. Come on, move. Come on. Please. I'm stuck. I'm freaking stuck. What do I do? I gotta keep trying. I need to. Come on. No. No, no, no. Don't do this, please. What do you mean stop? I can't. I need to get us home so we can actually start our anniversary together. We should stay on the side of the road till the snow clears or someone helps. Yeah, good idea. It's a good thing I got stuck on the side of the road and not in the middle of the road. Okay, let me turn off the car so we don't waste gas. It's freezing in here. We need to do something to stay at least a little warm before the snow clears. Wait, I have an idea. Let's go to the back seat, okay? That way we can cuddle and keep each other warm. Okay, come on, baby. You comfy, hon? Yeah? You like laying on my chest? That's good to hear. I like having you on my chest, babe. You're still shivering. Let me hold you closer. There. Is that better? You think I'm cute when I care? Thanks. That made me feel a bit better. This is nice. Just us holding each other. So close together. And I do have to admit, it looks really pretty outside. But you're prettier. What? I can't call my boyfriend pretty. Well, that's what you are. What a way to spend our anniversary. In our car, in the middle of a snowstorm. Yeah, but at least I have you right here. This reminds me of the first time you came over. A frickin' storm hit my home and we lost power. I felt really scared, but then you comforted me through the storm. I felt so safe in your arms. Like you wouldn't let anything hurt me. Even after the storm ended, you held me. Then I fell asleep on your lap. I don't think I ever fully said this, but that was when I fully fell in love with you. I also felt like I owed you for comforting me through the storm. But then you kept comforting me through my hardships. Even hardships that were minuscule looking back. And I was just left feeling like you are the greatest gift ever, and that I don't deserve you. But then you confessed your love to me. I never felt happier. You make me so happy, hun. You have no idea how much you mean to me. So, for our anniversary, I thought about a way I could thank you. So, I planned a really romantic night. But then I had to screw it up by getting my car stuck. And yet here you still are. Still looking at me like I'm the most amazing person ever. And I'm just left feeling so bad I even put you in this situation. I'm sorry I got us stuck. That I ruined our anniversary. That I... Huh? It's okay. What do you mean I didn't ruin anything? You really think what I've already been doing is enough? I don't understand. You feel like me being by your side is the best anniversary gift? Honey, you're making me cry. No. These are happy tears this time, I promise. You made me feel so much better. This is why I love you so much. I love you. 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 Huh? Are you sleepy, baby? Yeah? Okay then. Go to sleep. Yep, right on my chest. You want me by your side, so that's where I'm staying. I'll protect you, like you protect me. Shh, it's okay. I'm here for you. I promise you, it's gonna be okay because you said it would. And I trust you. I trust you, baby. Now rest. Good. I love you so much, my amazing boyfriend.